Ready to turn your house into a tech haven? Discover the 12 smart home gadgets that blend innovation and convenience, making everyday living not just easier, but more exciting. These gadgets will have you wondering how you ever lived without them. Dive in and find out which smart devices you'll love. 12. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat is revolutionizing the way you heat and cool your smart home. Not only is it remotely programmable, but it also adapts and learns your preferences over time. The thermostat adjusts when you're not home and learns your usage patterns to increase and decrease heat without you needing to lift a finger. Fully programmable via smartphone and compatible with Alexa, the Nest Learning Thermostat not only makes heating your home effortless, but it will also help you become more eco-friendly and save money. 11. Wireless lighting. Light your home with elegance and ease with a set of wireless lighting, operational via both voice command and your smartphone or device. Wireless lighting, often referred to as wireless electricity, is an emerging technology that allows the transfer of electrical energy without wires. Using principles like magnetic resonance, it enables devices to receive power from a distance. Wireless lighting makes it so easy to turn off lights in unoccupied rooms or come home to a well-lit home on a cold and dark winter's evening. Wireless bulbs screw in effortlessly like normal bulbs, and large numbers can be operational from your home hub without slowing down your Wi-Fi. 10. Pet camera and treat dispenser. Hate being away from your beloved pets when you're at work? A pet camera and treat dispenser will allow you to keep a loving eye on your pets via a live stream on your smartphone or device. A pet camera can also be set up to send alerts to your phone if your dog starts suddenly barking. This allows you to quickly check on them and talk to them through the speaker if they need to be calmed. If your pets have behaved well, you can also reward them by releasing a treat for them from the dispenser. 9. Keypad door lock. A keypad door lock is a modern, convenient solution for securing your home or office. It eliminates the need for traditional keys, using a numeric keypad to unlock the door instead. Users enter a preset code to gain access, which can be easily changed for enhanced security. Keypad locks often feature backlit keys for easy use in the dark, and can include additional security measures like auto-locking and alarms. Many models also offer integration with smart home systems, allowing for remote access and monitoring. 8. A Switchbot Curtain. Smart electric motor. The Switchbot Curtain. Smart electric motor is a convenient and innovative device designed to automate your curtains. Easily attachable to any curtain rail or rod, this smart motor allows you to open and close your curtains via smartphone app, voice control, or scheduled timers. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, it integrates seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, while the built-in light sensor enables automatic adjustments based on ambient light. Energy efficient and easy to install, the Switchbot Curtain motor offers a blend of modern technology and practicality, enhancing comfort and convenience in your living space. 7. A coffee mug warmer. A coffee mug warmer is a handy gadget designed to keep your beverage at the perfect temperature. Ideal for busy professionals and homebodies alike, it ensures your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate stays warm for extended periods. These devices typically feature a compact, sleek design with a heating plate that accommodates most mug sizes. With easy-to-use controls, some models offer adjustable temperature settings and automatic shutoff for safety. 6. A Wyze Smart Camera. The Wyze Smart Camera offers an affordable yet feature-packed option for home security. Known for its high-definition video quality, night vision, and two-way audio, it ensures you can monitor your home day and night. The camera's compact design makes it easy to install anywhere, while its intuitive app provides seamless access to live footage and recorded events. Motion and sound detection alerts keep you informed of any activity, and optional cloud storage ensures you don't miss a thing. 5. Smart plugs? Smart plugs are a convenient way to transform regular devices into smart ones, offering remote control via a smartphone or voice assistant. These compact devices plug into standard outlets, allowing you to automate lights, appliances, and electronics. Features often include scheduling, energy monitoring, and integration with smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Easy to install and use, smart plugs enhance home convenience, security, and energy efficiency, making them an accessible entry point for anyone looking to start building a smart home. 4. iBox Portable Smart Side Table. A smart end table is a multifunctional style and technology. Equipped with features like wireless charging, built-in speakers, and USB ports, it enhances convenience and connectivity in any living space. Some models include voice assistants, LED lighting, and hidden storage compartments. Designed to complement modern interiors, these tables offer sleek aesthetics while providing practical solutions for everyday needs. Whether you're charging your devices, listening to music, or controlling smart home gadgets, a smart end table seamlessly integrates functionality and design, making it a valuable addition to contemporary homes. 3. iRobot Braava Robot Mop. The iRobot Braava Robot Mop is a compact and efficient floor cleaning solution designed to simplify household chores. This sleek device navigates seamlessly across various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and stone. Equipped with advanced mapping technology, it ensures thorough coverage, avoiding obstacles and reaching tight corners. The Braava offers both dry and wet mopping modes, catering to different cleaning needs. With its whisper-quiet operation, you can enjoy a spotless home without disruption. 2. 8. Sleep. 8 Sleep integrates advanced technology to enhance sleep quality. Equipped with sensors, they monitor various sleep metrics like heart rate, breathing, and movement. The smart cover adjusts the bed's temperature for optimal comfort, while the mattress provides tailored support, adapting to body shape and sleeping position. Some models include features like gentle vibrations to wake you up during the lightest sleep phase, ensuring a more refreshed start to the day. With data-driven insights, these smart sleep systems help users improve their sleep patterns and overall well-being. 1. A Lululemon Mirror. The Lululemon Mirror is a sleek, interactive home gym mirror that offers a wide range of live and on-demand fitness classes. Acting as both a mirror and a display, it blends seamlessly into any room. When turned on, it transforms into a virtual fitness studio, featuring everything from yoga and Pilates to strength training and cardio. Users can see themselves in the mirror while following along with expert instructors, ensuring proper form and motivation. The mirror also provides personalized recommendations and progress tracking, making it a versatile and stylish addition to any fitness routine. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching.